Brenda and Tino from K-Tek. This is our machine shop. It's very empty, which is really sad because it's April 2020 and that's just the way it is right now. There's not much we can do about it. Because nobody's here, we're having some fun and playing on the forklift truck, which I probably should not be doing. Anyway, so it's Sound Summit 2020. We're here at K-Tek and we are going to pass this off to our friend Don Hale so he can introduce a few of our new products and talk to you from his home in Fallbrook.
Yeah, Don, show us some new products.
Thank you, Tino, and again, thanks again to Brenda at K-Tek for allowing me to bring you this video from my shop here in Fallbrook. All hunkered down, of course. Today I want to talk about the new jumper cables from K-Tek. These are the boom pole to mixer cables. They're really cool. They come in 5, 10, 20, and 40 feet available. They're double shielded, woven and aluminum shielding, so the shielding properties are fantastic. So if you happen to get into that environment where you might get interference on that mic level line. They have a better retraction feature. They're available with the standard K-Tek straight connectors and also available with the standard K-Tek and right angle low profile connectors. As you can see, they come with the, this one comes with the straight for the male and the female is the right angle. I also wanted to talk to you about the new K-Tek low profile XLR right angle connectors. Here they are. These have the custom made cap from K-Tek, so they're easily serviceable out in the field. They provide extraordinary strain relief through this really cool little channel right through here. And then here's the cap, and there's the retainer screw. They're orientable, so depending on how you want to plug it into your device or cable, according to the angle or the position, you can do that. They're low profile. They're serviceable in the field, which is really a great advantage to a lot of you people that do the production work out in the field. And they're made with the K-Tek components along with the custom K-Tek cap. Both these cables and the connectors are available now through your K-Tek dealer or contact K-Tek direct. This is Don Hale in Fallbrook in my shop, all hunkered down, and I'm going to give it back to Tino. Take care.
Thank you, Don. Here we are in our assembly room, which is also very quiet because nobody's here. But we have lots of friends all over the world, and we are going to introduce
William Monroe. He will show us also a product which we've been selling since last year and pretty successful, but I think you should know about it too. William, up to you.
Hi, Brenda and Tino. How are you? William Monroe, creator of the Boombox here, hunkered down live in Los Angeles. I've got a fairly new item from K-Tek I'd like to share with everyone. It's called the Mighty Boom Cable. If you're tired of buying a new cable every 3 or 4 months for your external boom cable, this is your answer. It's made with 6 large gauge wires redundant on the 3 pins. Super strong, and it's got this straight section on the end that makes it super easy and smooth in your boom stand. It's really strong. It's also great for E&G because it can go take the outdoors so well. It's called the Mighty Boom Cable. Thought I'd share it with everybody. Back to you on the factory floor.
Thank you, William Monroe. Congratulations, by the way, for wrapping Modern Family. Now I'm on my way into the shipping room where Brenda's already waiting for me.
Hi, this is our shipping room, and nothing shipping, which is lousy, but that's just the way it is. So
Don't worry about it. We'll come better, stronger back as before.
yeah, don't worry, boom happy. That's what we said. Don't worry, boom happy. So we're gonna pass off to our friend,
Ken Strain.
Ken
He's
Strain.
waiting to show you something too.
boom operator and educator.
Over to you, Ken.
I'm Ken Strain, boom operator since 1993, K-Tek customer since 1997. Been buying their boom poles, love them, and I'm here with the new K-Tek Boom Pole Classic Pro to show you a little bit about what makes this boom pole so awesome. It is a complete evolution of design in their boom poles. First of all, super light, very, very light boom pole. Quick locking collars, incredibly precise sections that come in and out. I mean, it is, the tolerances are so tight, but it makes it nice and smooth and quiet when we're doing pole extractions and retractions. Not only that, it's amazingly stiff. Like, you guys want to put a transmitter at the end of it? No problem. I got you. Look at how stiff that is. Barely any movement at all. Anyway, super happy with this new boom pole. I hope you like it too. Take care.
Thank you, Ken.
We're here in the sewing department. A very nice little department with a lot of fur.
Are we gonna pass it off to another good friend?
I think we should. I think Thomas Pop is waiting.
All right, here's
Thomas, over to you.
Hey everyone, this is Thomas Pop from Video Mantis. I want to say thank you, Brenda and Tino, for bringing me along on the Sound Summit 2020. Today, I'm here to talk to you a little bit more about a new product from K-Tek, which is called the KIP, the K-Tek Interview Pole. And simply what it is a smaller boom pole that's, yes, it can be used by a boom operator, but this is meant for the reporters that are out in the field risking their lives right now to get us the news, these essential workers that are keeping us informed in our homes. And I love the fact that after checking out the news and seeing how news reporters are taping microphones to the end of a hockey stick instead of getting close to their people, well, they decided to make something a little bit better, and that's how the KIP came along. This is a 2-section boom pole that extends to around 8 or 9 feet to help establish that safe distance protocol. And it's pretty simple. You just put your interview mic in the microphone clip up at the top, and you can even use different accessories like the K-Tek mic flag, and they even have microphone protection covers that go over the top, that now you have the ability to keep your distance from your talent or your interviewee, as well as have a protection so they're not getting saliva and contaminants all over your microphone. And then what you can do at the end of the day is just take them off and wash them and make sure that they're good to go for the next one. So I have to say I'm very proud of K-Tek, and I'm very grateful for them. Not only are they creating products that help keep us safe and help us do our jobs in the field, they're also keeping other people safe and thinking about the future. So thank you so much, K-Tek, for doing what you do. We love you to death, and we can't wait to see what we come up with next.
Thank you, Thomas, for introducing the KIP.
Oh, Thomas also has workshops, right?
Yes, he has an online platform called videomantis.com, and currently he's offering 50% on all courses. And by the way, the KIP he was introducing is the one I'm using all the time here to do our little video. We keep the distance to everybody, except from each other.
So I'm sure you know that K-Tek is also responsible for the Stingray line of audio bags. So we would like to introduce someone who is going to show you a little bit about what we're working on.
You want me to hand it over?
Yes.
To Jared?
Of course.
Hey, Jared, it's your turn.
Thanks, great to be here. So I've got one of the prototypes for the new Stingray bag here, and right off the bat you can see there's some extra space on the side so that this could accommodate a Sound Devices 888. This is a Sound Devices 833. You can see it still fits really nicely, but more space on the sides is something people have been definitely asking for. Next really obvious thing here is that there are 2 screw mounts mounted straight to the bag. We've got a cell phone here, a shark fin there. The possibilities are endless, something that a lot of people would love. I think there are endless possibilities for. The back of the bag actually comes up slightly less high than before. And if you've ever used a 6 or an 8 series, you know that trying to get to these little faders sometimes can be a pain. And now that this is above the back of the bag, it's so much easier to reach them. In the front, there's a hole, an opening in the front pouch that you can actually feed cables into the bag, whether you have extra receivers, antenna distro, BDS. Now you can go straight into the bag with them instead of outside and then back in. It's so much cleaner. And then if you look at the side here, you can see the color of the bag's changed to this sort of speckly silver, which is something I really like. I like the solid black. I like the speckly silver. They're both great. So, and then last thing I want to point out here is the kickstand. It's not mounted to the bag because that would interfere with the mesh on the back, but it's still, you can slip it in the side pocket. Anything with a corporate or interview, you just kind of lean the bag forward. It works fantastically well. Overall, I'm loving this. I can't wait to see where this thing goes next and with the release model. Thanks so much. Back to you.
Thank you, Jared Elkin.
Thanks.
We're going to have a completely new line of bags available, maybe July, right?
July should be available, yeah.
And we are going to have the small, light, which is what Jared was showing you. We're also going to have a new junior bag, which is going to be much smaller. So it will be available for the Nova, the 833. The small bag is going to work for the 888 and the 833. And then we're also going to have a large bag, which will work for the Scorpio.
Yeah.
They're all lighter, new fabric, beautiful new
It's
accessories.
a whole new generation of bags right now. With all these new features, I think it's almost a game changer.
So, Tino is going to show you a few more things around the shop.
Yeah, let me show you. And here are our aluminum tubes, all black anodized, waiting to eventually become a Avalon boom pole. These are the colors of the Avalon boom pole. Once we put these together with the tubes we've seen before, plus a few extra parts of course and some labor, after that we have a boom pole. So these are the colors of the classic boom pole. They were basically finished, now they have to be deburred and anodized, and then they're ready to go into assembly. So here you can see the parts, or some parts of the low profile XLR connector from us. I'd like to show you the little channel inside here for the cable, which basically is the strain relief. You can almost pull a truck with that, it's really amazing. These parts we have seen before. The one for the low profile right angle connector from us is the channel with the extreme strain relief, and we have some more work done to this here. Some holes were done which are really allowing the positioning of the XLR, and then once it's done they're gonna go get deburred, anodized, and we'll come back for assembly. Our boom poles are Academy Award winners. We're not showing off, but we're very proud of it. Here is the new Classic Pro with a right angle connector from us. And we have the new Psychic attached to this one for the transmitter. So it's low profile, so you can fit it into your boom stand. We also have now a flow-through module, so if you prefer the straight cables. And we have our new Traveler coming out very soon. 6 feet extended, so it's the KP6, and it collapses down to 21 inches. Thank you for joining us at the Sound Summit 2020.
It was a virtual sound summit. I don't think we've ever done that before. I liked it.
No, it was pretty new to me too.
So if you have any questions, just email Tino
Tino
at ktekpro.com. Stay safe out there. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us. Bye bye.